Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and today we're in Dominican Republic. No, we're in. Where are we at?
We're in the Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata.
We're in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. I'm with Davey Jones. You might have seen him on another old-fashioned Friday. Tyson's Corner at
Eddie V's.
Man's on. Stay ready. You got to get ready. Man's ready. So here we go. We got another. Listen. You win some, you lose some. We gotta. Listen.
Sorry, I'm ready.
We got soup coming. You guys know how this works. 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, 0 to 1 overall ambiance. 0 ambiance, full 1. We got curtains. Show the curtains, Pete. There's curtains in this door.
It's OxyClean.
You got curtains, you're doing a good thing. Full 1 on that. We'll jump into appearance. There's a lot of ice. There's a harpoon. A lot of. It's a lot. It's a lot going on here.
It looks like sweet tea. Is it? I feel like you're drinking sweet tea.
It could be worse.
Can we see what this
Could
is?
it be worse?
Hold on. I thought this was a lime, but this is clearly a pear.
Kiwi. Maybe kiwi. Yeah.
Nah, yo.
What is that?
No, I don't know what that is.
Well, you gotta put it back because it's.
I just did a Clark Griswold. I totally did a Clark Griswold.
Put
on
it
this.
back. Put it back. Listen, I've had worse in Alexandria, so that's saying a lot. Like, so appearance. I don't know. 1.4. First sip. Listen. Oh. Listen. Don't disrespect the game. That was actually not terrible. It wasn't terrible. Take a sip.
Let's go.
Tell me. Take a sip.
Do a quick stir.
But it's not bad, right? Right?
It's actually surprisingly
Not
good.
bad.
It's actually surprisingly good.
I'm not mad at it.
That's Makers. There's Spain with Makers.
I don't know if it's Makers.
I'm pretty sure it's Makers. That's definitely Makers.
Probably not Makers, but
It's actually pretty good, actually.
I'm going 1.9. 1.9 overall taste. Okay, here we go. Overall.
This is the last thing he needs to chug.
Overall taste, let's go.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
It's really good, actually. It's kind of spicy at the bottom.
It actually got better.
It's really good, actually. There's no complaints.
It actually got
Literally,
better.
there's no complaints. It's a good old-fashioned, horrible presentation. I'm just going to be honest.
I'm going 2.3. I don't know what the
It's
score
actually
is.
really
But here we got mustard soup. There's a lot of mustard.
I
And
got
then
New England chowder in the DR, but, you know.
Virginia Grubbers, and then a lot of points and a lot of mamawanas, and then here we go. I'm sorry. I'm not editing any of this.